What's up, guys? Today figured I would show you how I made my hat band for my cowboy hat. And in my last video I showed how to make the rattlesnake tail. And there we go with that. So the way I have this attached here is just one of those squeezy type things you push the cord through. And all you do is run that up to the end of this. And then you start putting your beads on it, and then you'll run the other cord through the other hole, and it attaches like that. So basically, you just slide it over, and that's what it looks like, and then you just start putting the beads on in the order you want. Alright, so once you got your beads all on your paracord, make sure you leave space for this so it can kind of go flat. Alright, so after you got that wrapped around your hat, you can kind of see here what you're gonna do. And just gonna take this paracord and we're gonna put it through here. Okay, so once you have this strand through here, what you want to do is make sure you don't have too many beads on, and you just want to kind of make sure the beads aren't real tight, that they just move that little bit. Okay, now a little trick here to get this tail as long as this one. You want to make a hoop like I did, and then take roughly the width, and then that's where you're going to come up to this point here, and then cross it over just as we did, and this will give you the same length of tails. Okay, so we got this tail done. You can see they're even. All we got to do is nip that and burn it down. Okay, so now to attach these beads, we're going to use some thread. Got a needle with some thread. We're going to start from underneath the hat, and we're going to come up between this tan bead and this coffee colored square bead, and we're going to come up through the back. We're going to loop it around the paracord and then go back down. We're going to repeat this step twice, and we're going to do that here, 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 and then one in the front. Now you might think this is a different hat. It's not. I simply patinaed it, and if you want to know how I did that, check it out in the link in the description. Okay, so you could see we have one piece of thread here, and then our longer piece that contains the needle. Now we did one wrap, and we're going to go back up through here and come back down, and when we do, we're just going to take these and we're going to tie it about 3 or 4 times. Alright, so we got that wrapped around twice. Now we're going to put the knot in it. Alright, so hopefully you can kind of see that. Now we got that knot. All we're going to do is trim it. Okay, so once you got the front done, your hat may or may not have the grommets in it, but what we're going to do is the same thing. We're going to start from the bottom of the hat, and we're going to come up through here, and then we're going to go down through the grommet and then back up and around, and we'll tie it off there. Okay, so you could see where we got that. Now we're just going to cut that there. Alright, so we repeated the same thing on this side. Now we got 4 anchors on it, and that's it. Now you can form your hat the way you want to. Okay, so after you attach your headband and you're done forming the hat, this is the way I like mine. That's what you got. You're going to want to leave it dry for about 24 hours. And I did see somebody on YouTube say you could use gelatin, 1 tablespoon to a cup of water, and apply it. Makes the straw stiffer. That's the back shot of it.